Today is my first construction update here at Chillington Wildlife Adventures 2022. As you can see, I am up on Canopy Capers to get some amazing views of construction on the new coaster, which is Project Amazon. If you didn't know where this is, it's right near Dragon's Fury, the play area. So yeah, let's see if we can get any cool views from up here. So, if you didn't know where they are building this new roller coaster and two supporting flat rides, it's just over here where the old beach and little picnic area was. And if you need that, it's right near Dragon's Fury, as you can see. Beautiful track. And there it goes. So it's just in here. From here, you can see that they've done groundwork and they started putting foundations in for the station, which is really exciting. And over there, you can see some metal, which is always exciting for construction. So let's see if we can get any more views of that down here. So now up here, you can see some more groundwork is taking place, and it is a weekday, the day I'm filming this, so work is happening, as you can see. There's a builder there, and bigger, and everything like that. And you can see more of the metal structure over here. Whoa. Almost as this area was made to be viewed here. And just so you know, that's a little den. Just so you know, I'm here joined by Owen, so if the camera's shaky or anything, mainly because of Owen. But that view over there, that metal structure, in the plans it looks like it's going to be a lion. Because the costume theme for this is Jumanji themed, by the looks of the plans, which is quite exciting. So now let's head down and see if we can see any stuff from down there. Now we're down here. You can see the head of the lion. Owen! So as we can see here, it's going to open 2023, which is next year, which is really exciting. And there you go, Dragon's Fury, right next to it.